You wake up every day feeling invisible, like your name doesn't matter, your voice doesn't matter, and no one gives a damn whether you win or disappear. You scroll, you stall, you lie to yourself that next week will be different. But deep down, you know the truth. You don't even respect yourself. And until that changes, no one else ever will right now. Someone your age, maybe someone you went to high school with, is closing a $50,000 deal. Someone else is building an empire while you're stuck in the same loop. Same bed, same thoughts, same weak excuses. And the worst part, you feel it. That quiet shame in your chest when you look in the mirror and know you're capable of more. But you're not doing more. So let's cut the fluff. The reason nobody respects you isn't because you're broke. It's not because you're young or don't have connections or haven't found your break. It's because you've trained people not to. You say you'll do something, then you don't. You set goals, then ghost them. You talk big in the gym, but skip the gym when it's cold. You're all talk, no follow through, and your brain knows it. That's why you feel small. That's why you avoid eye contact. That's why you're addicted to validation on a screen. Because real life doesn't cheer for you. You don't even cheer for you. Here's the painful truth. Respect isn't given, it's taken. It's taken through discipline, through consistency, through doing the thing no one sees, especially when you don't feel like it. Millionaires don't wake up motivated. They wake up and move. They don't have magic willpower. They have systems built on one rule. My word is my bond. If I say I'm doing it, it's already done. No debate, no negotiation with weakness. But you negotiate with laziness every morning. 5 more minutes, I'll start tomorrow. I'll just watch one more video. And each time you betray yourself. And each betrayal chips away at your self-respect until you're just a ghost in your own life. Look, I was you, 22 years old, living in a basement, broke, ashamed. Lying to my mom about having a job. I'd scroll for hours, chasing dopamine, like it was purpose. But one day, I looked in the mirror and said, if I don't change, I'll die forgotten. So I made a rule, do one thing every day that future me would thank me for. Just one. Wake up without snoozing. Write 100 words. Make one cold call. Lift weights. No applause. No likes. Just proof to myself that I could be trusted. And slowly, something shifted. I started keeping promises to me. And when you do that, something crazy happens. You start respecting yourself. And when you respect yourself, others can't help but follow. You don't need money to be respected. You need integrity. You need to be the guy who shows up, the guy who finishes, the guy who, when he says I'm going to do it, does it. That's the foundation of real masculinity. Not flexing online, not talking trash, but silent discipline. The kind that builds empires while others sleep. Right now, you're one decision away from a different life. But it starts with a war against your own excuses. Against your comfort, against the version of you that's okay with being average. Mid-video wake-up call. If this is hitting hard, good. That means you're still alive inside. That means you haven't fully given up. So prove it. Hit subscribe. Not because you like this video, but because you're declaring war on the weak version of yourself. This channel isn't entertainment. It's your training ground. Your drill sergeant. Your father figure you never had. And if you keep coming back day after day, something will change. Not because of magic, because of momentum, because of proof. Because one day, you'll look back and realize you didn't just build success. You became someone worth respecting. The world doesn't respect potential. It respects proof. It respects the guy who doesn't talk. He delivers. The one who doesn't complain. He builds. The one who, when everyone quit, kept walking. You wanted a reason to believe. Here it is, you're still watching. You haven't closed this video. That means there's fire in you. Not everyone has that. Most give up. Most stay broke, lonely. Forgotten, but not you, not today. Subscribe. Not for me, for the future version of you that's begging you to start. Come back tomorrow, and the next day, and the day after. Because respect isn't a moment, it's a movement. And it starts now. This isn't motivation, this is your rebirthed asterisk.